sure you subscribe. If you ain't new, just hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? Drop your boy a comment. It's been like 3-4 days since I dropped a vlog, you know what I'm saying? So, back at y'all boys, I had an idea. Y'all see I got the red GTO here. I got the other GTO here. So, this car right now got a 6.0 motor in it. And this car got a 5.7 motor in it. I'm just gonna give y'all a rundown real quick. This car right here is tuned for a cammed LS1. This car right here has a cammed LS1. You see where I'm going with this? Now this motor here might not be running, but this motor here might be running. So what we're gonna do today is, I haven't done nothing to this car since I came to this crib. I just parked it. I've been kind of cleaning it up a little bit, just observing, trying to get my mind right on what direction I'm gonna go. But long story short, I'm finna pull this motor out, and we're gonna check this motor out because I remember this car shut down on me a while back when I was heading to Kevin High's. So I don't know if it ain't running. I don't know if it's just because of this right here had blew off. See, this turbo pipe blew off, and that's when it shut off. So I don't know if I locked the motor. I don't know what happened, but the motor still spin over. You know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna put a hot battery in it, and we're gonna go get some starter fluid just to make sure I didn't run out of gas or nothing. I don't know what really happened to this car. So we're finna shoot the autos on real quick. They already open. It's early in the morning. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna try to fire this car up. And if all fails, this motor gonna be coming out. If this car don't start today with the starter fluid and stuff, we're gonna go and pull this motor out, and we're gonna go through the motor, see what's going on. And ultimately, this motor gonna go over here in this car. Now this LS1, the Texas Speed Cam, this block already is tuned for this car. So I never got this motor tuned. I mean, I never got the Turbo GTO tuned after I did the 6.0 swap. So right now it's a stock 6.0, just a regular 6.0. I think it come out of it came out of Denali. But you know, we changed the intake, changed the accessories, and changed the oil pan for it to fit in the GTO. But yeah, I want to swap these out, gang. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put this LS1 over here and the 6.0 over here. You know what I'm saying? Because like I say, this car is tuned for that. And if you new to the channel, y'all can go back to when I first started my channel. See, when I first started my channel, this car was running 100% perfect. Like burnouts was like a hurricane, like a tornado of smoke, just crazy, crazy, crazy burnouts. But yeah, right now, it's a beautiful morning. Boys finna get on it. You know what I'm saying? This vlogging was much. I haven't been vlogging much, but finna get back on it. I had to handle a lot of stuff. So right now, I got my channel up on Instagram. So I got everything. I finally did my link tree, and I created my website. I got the merch. It's mapped out. It's all good. So we got a couple more things to do on the website. So it's not 100% ready, but I give myself by Friday. See, today Wednesday. I give myself by Friday. The website should be 100% up and running. You should be able to go on now, buy y'all merch. You know what I'm saying? Everything should check out. But right now, y'all can go check it out. Just don't try to buy nothing as of right now because it's not accurate. So when you click on the shirt, it say the right price, but then it jump up to like. So we gotta fix that little bug. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get it together. And shout out to them boys, Max Pete and Rod, Cowgirl Fat Self, out there doing her. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. We're finna go to O'Reilly's, go grab some starter fluid, and then we're gonna grab some battery, like, not battery corrosion, but it's like, some corrosion stuff, bro. We finna get on these cars, man. So it's finna be that type of day. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's up, it's up. Yiggity, yiggity, yo. BCM yet. I found out what it was, gang. The original owner who really built the car at first, he had contacted me and he was letting me know, like, you know what I'm saying, what the problem was with the car, because he said he had the same situation. Be floating up and down the block like that, but the sky looks so good this morning, and I'm so tired of this little smudge. Gang, boys done made it up here. Y'all know what I'm finna do. I already told y'all. He on the ground. Needs all that, gang. Go up in here. Think this it. What y'all think? Both the same price. I ain't have to go nowhere, gang. They got the starter full of red chill. But nah, man, we just finna put this hot battery in here real quick. Know what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I haven't, bro, when the car broke down that day, I haven't done nothing to it. We had towed it over here, where it says now, and I haven't done nothing to it. Oh, I did. I tried to start it again, like the day we had moved, but other than that, I ain't done nothing to it. So what I'm gonna do is, my first step is just to see if I at least just ran out of gas. This car ain't, we got lights. So first, we just gonna give it a dry start. So, let me see. I wish I could get it. Baby, you might need to get in there.
To do what?
To get in, turn the key, and like, give it a little gas. They cutting the grass right now. So, I hate that he cutting the grass, so you gotta hold the clutch down. Turn the key forward again. Alright, so what you wanna do is hold the clutch down. That's the one all the way over there by the driver door. And then, turn the key over. Down, all the way. You gotta push it hard as fuck. There you go. Now turn it over. Alright. So now I'm finna see. Do it now. That bitch almost started, huh? Do it again. That bitch running. Damn. That bitch, what you said? Yeah, hold the clutch and then this time try to give it. Chill.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna give it gas to turn it over. Yeah, hold the clutch. It sound bad though. Baby girl, you okay? I know you ain't heard this mouth in a minute. Come here. You okay? You okay? You okay, Zoe? What you got going on? One of your ponytails came out. But yeah, man. So, dang, y'all seen all the roots came out of there? So I found out the motor still worked, for sure.
Oh, it got rained in too many times.
Yeah, it did get rained on. But it sound like it's not running on all the cylinders. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Probably was fucked for a while, the bad. There wasn't enough run time for it to warm up and get hot. So the car still run. Alright, that's it though. I ain't gonna get carried away. I promised Tina we were gonna work on her car today, so we're gonna go ahead and boost her car off and clean out the wild on it. What you said? To the who? We ain't gonna start that car. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm ultimately really happy because honestly, y'all know the car show coming up. So I wouldn't mind getting the GTO down to the car show. You know what I'm saying? Not only that, I still might go and swap these motors over though. Even if I don't swap them 100% over, I at least need to get that motor in here. You know what I'm saying? I think I can do that. We got 10 days. I know I can swap them out just to show. We can get this GTO to the car show and fix all the little small stuff. This.
Comment below or like this video, or do both if you really want to see this GTO at the car show. On what day?
It's on the 17th.
All right. Well, yeah. So if you tuned in, you should already know. So make sure y'all like and comment if y'all want to see it.
Y'all give me a little motivation, man. Y'all give me the motivation. Because this baby running. So, yeah, for sure though, like I said, man, if I do, it's going to have to be that motor. That way, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be all said and done. Although I probably don't need to do no crazy burn or something. I just want to get the car down there, make it happen. Like, what this go to? To your fuse box. We got to get that pull these out. So we really can take all these fuses, like all these big ones out, and we can clean on the inside of these too, because I think these dirty too. Dang. They look pretty good. You don't know what you did with it, baby?
Did what?
That little tool. It was a little
The turn?
You don't know?
Yeah, I know. It's in the house somewhere.
We're gonna need that. Or, yeah, we're gonna need that for sure.
Are you gonna go get it?
I mean, you don't know what it is. You ain't telling me. You say yeah, you just say
it's in
yeah.
the house somewhere in the living room.
I bet.
Zoe, come on.
Girl.
Stop. Wait. Hurry up. Come on.
Come on.
Go.
See that shit like you got like green algae on it or whatever they call it. That's corrosion. So the last fuse box probably wasn't even bad. Yeah, that book of green. Like a bad connection, all of them. Girl, get out the street.
Clean the camera.
Black Magic. Restore your headlights today for $4.99. You can get this at any store possible. Any store possible. Now, but right now though, we finna boosting this out real quick. And while we doing that, I'm finna be I told you not to get this one, but it's all good. It's all we got to work with. So we're gonna work with it. So right now we just cleaning out this fuse panel. Trying to get up in there with them connections. So I'm thinking she having a connection problem. You feel me? Some of them things is kind of green. The main ones I see is these over here though. These the worst off. And these are the ignition and stuff like that. So that's what really needs to be. You just getting kind of what you can kind of spray wise out. I know you holding the camera. I just keep spraying as I go. I just need this good connection. These the main ones on this side for sure. These are the injectors and the ECM. See how dirty the toothbrush get. Go way down up in there. Make sure Zoe ain't going out.
She went to the garage.
Right. I'm ready to get in your eyes. You got in your eyes? You already got the eye situation. Pink eye, boy. Alright, one last spray. Watch out. Alright. Still got a bunch of that. Just in case there's something else needs to be. Girl, that's trash. Don't drink that juice. Crazy little girl. Make sure ain't none of the fuses pop. Say quick dry.
Now,
She dried all up, gang. We finna